Well, here we are at the trailhead, Sunshine Trail, Sunshine Loop. We're out at the glitter mine now. First stop on... Are we? Oh, here we are. First stop on Sunshine Loop. It's Glitter Mine. Well, here's the pit. You can actually come out here and collect them. And come out of here with buckets full if you want. They ask us for a donation. They've got actually a PayPal account. But down here, you can see all the crystal cliff. It's actually all over the ground too. Pieces all over. It's crystal. It's almost clear. This is only 4 miles, something like that, from the Warner Valley exit. You can totally get here in a Subaru. About halfway up the climb on Sunshine Loop. Look at that. St. George Valley down there. Sand Hollow, Sand Mountain there. All Warner Valley. Arizona Strip over there. so much as a water tank anymore. It's like a terrarium or just big flower pot or weed pot. Wildlife digs it. Look at that.
It's coming fresh out of the wall. There's a big old vein of it.
I was just driving along, you can see it in the ground. Ah, here we go. Yeah, there's a vein of it. Vein of it right here.
Goes all the way up.
That's neat. I'll leave that there. Somebody will spot it. You can take it home. There they go. Look at some of these pieces. It's pretty good. Very reflective. That's that one. That one's pretty. You can see through it. See my finger there?